Hey, State Park Steve again. I am in southern Mississippi, near McComb, Mississippi, at the state park known as Percy Quin State Park. A very nice big state park, has a nice big lake, beautiful RV sites, and lodge and cabins. Even has a golf course nearby, and lots of other things. And so yeah, here's part of the golf course right here. Nice lake. Anyway, let's go check it out. Okay, why is it Mississippi pools are closed in the summer? Okay, walking the nature trail. It's kind of spooky with all the cicadas making their noise. Other than that, it's quiet and very muddy and hard to traverse, like this bridge, or I don't know if I'd even call it a bridge. And supposedly bridge is out up here somewhere. Can't even find the trail. Not a well-traveled trail, that's for sure. Whew. And there are so many mosquitoes here. You know, Mississippi was known, I guess, for the birthplace of American music. But I've never heard of that, so I don't know. I think I got a new slogan for Mississippi. Mosquito Mississippi. The most mosquitoes in the world. What do you think?